time. And in our phonics lesson today, we're going to have a brand new chart. This chart is chart 12. Let's say it together in a sleep. A, and also A, L, R. B in because B, E, B. And in enjoy, E, N. And in unbutton, U, and un. In wrinkle, W, R, in could, O, U, L, D, it. Air in here, A, air. In push, U, of in and of, O, U, G, H, of. In country, O, U, Air in carry, air. Iron in fire, IRE, ire. Now we have some new special sounds. Outside, listen to me. Then it's your time to say it. Giant G. Listen, I say again. Giant G. And we have some words. Germs. Do you like germs? No, I hate germs. Germs can make you sick. Energy. What is an energy? Energies are that can help you do some work, do some homework, and many other things. Strange, cage, page, and huge. We have our next special sounds. The special sounds is in fudge, D-G-E, G. Miss Hao love this special sound. Do you know why? Because in fudge are Miss Hao's favorite special sounds, and she loves to eat the fudge. Okay, it's your time to say it. In fudge, D-G-E, G. Good. Bridge, pledge, hedge, badge, ledge, and wedge. Oh, but I have our new rule. Listen to me. G says J when it's go before E, I, and Y. Listen, I say the rule again. G says J when it's go before E, I, and Y. Good job. Okay, let's say a special sound like it. Yes, let's say like that. It's giant. It's giant. In fudge. It's in fudge. Wow, the special sound is hard to say. We have some words. Germ. What is the special sounds in the word germ? The special sound are in verse A. Giant page. The special sound is G and A for in banana. Cage, also like the word page, we will circle G and A. Pledge, bridge, and batch. Okay, so bye. See you next time.